Putting some bacon grease on the grill will give a hint of flavor, especially the mushrooms. Now you want to smear it around, coat the grill or the flat top nicely. You can never have too much bacon fat. Coat it evenly. Throw the mushrooms on. Mushrooms will pretty much take on any flavor you add to them. They're like little sponges. So you might have to even add some more bacon grease as we go on. Maybe some butter. Add some salt and pepper for flavor. You can even add some hot pepper flakes to it if you want, depending on how hot you like things. Now we're going to season the meat. Just basic salt, pepper. Nice and thick, so you could add plenty of salt to these. Really hot out there today. Ooh, gotta make sure you hydrate. Keep stirring the mushrooms around. This way they don't burn. They're starting to look good. And when you think you're almost getting done, that's the nice thing about the flat top. You can turn one side off, move it over, and it'll still stay warm for quite some time. Yeah, here we go. Time to add some more bacon grease to the flat top. It's better than wasting your bacon grease after you make some nice bacon in the morning. Now we're going to put some of our smashed potatoes down. You can start with these just by boiling them a little bit beforehand. Save you some time. And then this way you just smash them down. You get them nice and crispy, nice sear on them. Salt, pepper, if you want to add garlic powder, whatever kind of stuff you want to it. Jake gives his approval. And the potatoes as well. They'll absorb all that nice bacon fat. Now we're getting ready for the meat. Remember, this is a filet mignon for Father's Day. The king of meats. And the salmon, our own little version of surf and turf for Father's Day. I don't know if we covered this, but the salmon, you can cook it with the skin on or the skin off. If you leave the skin on, you're gonna want to score it a little bit. If you don't score it, the skin side is gonna shrivel up, and it's not gonna cook very evenly. So if you keep the skin on, just make a couple slits on it, and it'll keep your salmon nice and flat. This was a really great video. Unfortunately, audio didn't show up. But again, we seasoned the one side, you gotta season both sides. Looks like a lot of salt, but not really. Those are nice thick fillets. Yeah, look at those potatoes. Nice crisp sides. See, at this point, we just got to just warm the potatoes because, like I said, we cooked them. We boiled them previously. This way to save some time. Yeah, it was really hot. Hot Father's Day. They're going to flip the salmon over. I can just hear I can remember the sizzling right now. Now Buddy's involved. Anytime there's food. Those steaks. Yeah, a couple more minutes and we'll be doing the old taste test. Like I said, you couldn't hear us, but you can tell by Mom's reaction, it was good. She's the one who likes the mushrooms. Makes me want to go get some filet right now. Salmon. I said it's definitely a thumbs up. Now the potato. Nope. Couldn't see it, but she just gave us 2 thumbs up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe. Hit the thumbs up. Hit the bell down there. This way you'll get a notification every time we upload. So we'll see you in the next video.